and I'd like to welcome you to creating a Match 3 game with Unity. Match 3 games involve swapping colored pieces on a grid to match 3 or more pieces of the same color. You've probably seen lots of Match 3 games on mobile app stores. In this course, I'll be teaching you how to create your own Match 3 game. We'll start with the game board. We'll create a basic game piece, spawn them on a grid, and animate them as they fill up the board. You'll learn how to detect valid matches and clear pieces, or even implement some special game pieces that can clear entire rows or columns, or clear all pieces of a certain color. Finally, we'll turn this into a game by implementing level logic. I'll walk you through implementing 3 unique level types. We'll also implement a user interface for the game, as well as a level select screen where players can choose a level and view their high scores. We've had a lot of ground to cover, so if you're ready, let's get started. This course expects you to be very comfortable in Unity and C# and have a strong understanding of object-oriented design and the Unity API. We'll be using pre-made assets so we can dive deep into the code and logic needed to make the Match 3 game. While we will be touching on some other Unity systems, like animation and UI, the main focus of this course will be on the logic behind the game. I'll be doing my best to explain everything as I go along. This course has exercise files containing Unity projects, assets, and code samples. The Unity project folder can be opened in Unity, or you can double-click on one of the scenes in the scenes folder to open the project. Occasionally, I'll be copy and pasting some code I've already written, and you can find that in the code snippets file.